Today I'm doing a review on the 14er Perky Jerky Turkey Jerky, bold and tender. What's going on, everybody? My name is Jason GADDIE. I'm doing a review today on this turkey jerky. My wife and I, we like to eat beef jerky, things of that nature, but we've been trying different protein forms, things of that nature, you know, adding into our diet. So I went to COSTCO and I picked up this bag of turkey jerky. And actually I looked at it, I was like, what in the hell is perky jerky? I figured it might have caffeine or something like that added into it, but it doesn't. And so I get it home and, you know, most of the time jerky has like 0 carbs, things of that nature. Well, first thing my wife does is says, Jason, this thing's got some carbs in it. And I was like, oh, no way. And come to find out, for a 1 ounce serving, there is 8 grams of carbs, and 7 grams of that is sugar. So if you're on a low carb diet, you might want to think about getting a different container of turkey jerky. I don't know, but I'm gonna open this thing up and see if it's any good. See right here, it says best tasting jerky on earth guaranteed. So we're gonna see if they live up to their hype. All right, well, here goes. The 14er. Let's give it a shot. It smells like teriyaki. All right, so just came out of the bag. This is what it looks like coming out of the bag. It smells like teriyaki. You know, they say Earth's a small place. But I don't think it's that small. It's not bad jerky, but this is not the best jerky I've ever had. I've had some beef jerky that was made and sold at, well, it's like a flea market or something. Somebody made it on their own at their house and brought it. Exponentially better than this. I got a buddy that I work with, Ray, who makes hamburger jerky. It's exponentially better than this. And for the carbs, like, I'm trying turkey jerky out because I want it to be healthier, you know, or healthy at least. And you've added a gang of carbs to this. Again, it's not bad. I'm sitting here eating it, but there is better jerky out there. So I don't know. It was like 14 bucks for a bag of it at Costco. You give it a try. It's high protein, gluten-free, low fat, no nitrates, whatever that is. The ingredients are turkey breast, reduced sodium, gluten-free soy sauce, brown sugar, lemon juice, garlic powder, black pepper, and that's it. Product of the USA. You can check out the website at perkyjerky.com. And evidently they grow these turkeys on their own in a mountain in Colorado, or on a mountain in Colorado, where the air is clean and pure. So I don't know. It's really sweet. It's got a really sweet flavor to it, and that's the only variety that Costco had. So it's not bad if you want to change up. Actually, I tell you what, if you were going to do, I got an idea. Let's make this a good video. If you were going to make like fried rice and you wanted to put some meat in it, you could probably throw that jerky, like cut it up into bits and put it in your jerky, or I'm sorry, in your fried rice as teriyaki turkey fried rice. You could do that, you know, that'd be pretty easy. Just throw it in the pan, let it heat up real quick, you know, with some, maybe some sesame oil, something like that, to heat it up, and then mix it in your fried rice. I think that would be really good. But as far as like the switch to turkey for trying to get a leaner cut of meat, they've kind of negated the health benefit of that by adding in the brown sugar, which, you know, it is good. The flavor is good, but it's not as healthy as I'd hoped. I was hoping for something a little healthier. And I should have done my due diligence on that when I bought it. All right. Well, comment down below. Let me know what you think. If you've tried it, if you feel the same way about it, I don't know. But please like the video and subscribe to my channel. I'm doing all kinds of reviews, all kinds of things that I do on this channel. It's unbelievable. I got so much going on, but I don't have like one groove that I do because I do a lot of different things. So, all right. Hope you all have a great day today. Get you some jerky, man. Try the 14er. See what you think, man. I don't know. It's just, to me, it's really sweet for a protein snack that you want to be healthy, or I want it to be healthy. So, all right. Have a great day.